It's raining. Now I'm digging it. You can't see it. It's pouring down out here. Let's see. I can't get it. Oh, I love this kind of weather. I love nature. We needed this rain. Oh, it feels so good out here. It look like I live in the country, but I don't. Oklahoma is just a big ass country city. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. It means take my ass in the house. Alright. Oh, look at my breakfast Monday morning. Cloudy, rainy morning. I hope this is reaching you all in good spirits and high vibrations, and you're letting your light shine, and you're not letting anybody dim it. And if you do, you just light it back up, okay? But anyway, this is breakfast this morning. A comfort food, I call it. You might call it unhealthy. I call it delicious. We're having fried potatoes or smothered potatoes with onions and some smoked sausage with a fried egg on the top. And I'm about to pop it open. Well, cut it open. Watch this. Look at that. What woman, man, or child wouldn't want something like that for breakfast, huh? And we're going to top it off with a nice, hot, big-ass cup of coffee. Yes, darling, yes. I'm out. About to eat this. Check it out, check it out. I'm doing a project, a hippie project. She's got a dreads and she's got hearts, flowers, sunflowers. You got the moon, you got a star, you got the sun. And it says soulful. Super cute. Super duper cute. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the finished product when I'm done with it. Alright? Peace. Check it out. This is the after. I'm not finished with it, of course. But ain't it groovy, baby? It's super groovy. And she always got to have that glitter on it because that's her trademark. She's a unicorn, baby. A black unicorn. Talking about myself, though. Now, now. Let's rewind that part right there because we got to sing that. Video's corny, but whoa, soon. I like to fly far away from here. My mind is. He always